Last on up is called the innocent spouse relief. I put this under the doubt as to liability because sometimes the spouse that's innocent, the spouse that's a victim, only finds out about it through separation, through divorce, and all of a sudden it's like, whoa, I never knew we had this type of issue with the IRS. So essentially, if the spouse was involved, maybe the tax debt would have never come into place. Sometimes it would be just completely unfair to hold the innocent spouse liable for what the other spouse is doing. But this is a very tough program to deal with. However, there's a twist. There's something known as equitable relief, which it takes a look at the totality of the circumstances regarding the marriage. And the IRS is more flexible on the equitable relief than the innocent spouse. However, it is the same form to apply for both. It is Form 8857. And you submit the request for innocent spouse relief or equitable relief under the 8857. So some of these doubt as to liability programs may not actually get rid of the complete taxes in full. What happens is it lowers it down to the correct amount. And if the corrected tax is still high enough where you're not able to pay, then you are able to then apply for one of the other programs out there. You can still do the offer and compromise, non-collectible, partial payment installment plan, but now it's a much more manageable amount and the corrected amount that it should be.